Hey, if you want to enable night light on your Google Pixel 7 Pro, just open the settings, go to the display, and right here you have to scroll down until you find the night light. Right now you can simply turn it on by tapping on at this button, and as you can see the screen color has changed, but honestly it's not the best solution to reduce the blue light. I can recommend you application named Twilight, and it looks really good. Take a look. You can set it up the color temperature, the intensity, screen dim, and when I turn it on, take a look. That's the big difference. You are probably unable to see anything. That's really hard to see something on the screen, but let me adjust it. Yeah, just like that. So yeah, that's really great application. It's totally free. You can pick some customization right here. So yeah, that's two ways how we can get the night light on the Pixel 7 Pro. And if you know any other apps to get the night light, you can also put them into the comments. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye.